Internet addiction. Many people now regard internet addiction as a real problem in our modern technological world, particularly amongst the younger generations. Young people are now spending large amounts of their available time staring at a computer screen, whether it be on a social network site, watching videos on YouTube, playing an online game, or looking for random information via a search engine. Sometimes real life can be difficult and confrontational. A social network site like Facebook can allow social interaction from a distance without the risks involved in normal communication. Some people are naturally shy and may find it easier to talk to their friend or even to make friends on a social network site. Up to a point, this may be okay, but if you then become over-reliant on Facebook as your method of socializing, then it is easy to fall into the trap of avoiding people altogether and spending all your time on Facebook. When you do actually meet your Facebook friends in real life, interaction is difficult and awkward. One problem with the recent technological revolution is that we are now provided with even more ways of escaping normal life. It is easy to shut out the outside world and get lost in the seemingly endless internet universe. The internet is a useful tool, but taken to excess, it can deprive people of essential social skills. Therefore, it is important that younger people learn that there is a time and a place for internet use.